How to fix SIM card no service issue on iPhone. If your iPhone is showing no service or searching and you're unable to make calls or use mobile data, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the SIM card no service issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before we dive into more complex fixes, let's check if there's an outage in your area. You can check your carrier's website or social media for any service outages or maintenance. If your carrier is down, there's nothing you can do except wait for the issue to be resolved. Sometimes a quick fix is just toggling airplane mode. Just simply toggle on your airplane mode and wait for about 10 to 20 seconds and then turn off airplane mode and check if the network connection issue returns. A simple restart can help resolve many issues. Here's how to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either the volume up or down button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait for a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. If the issue persists, you can check your SIM card. Just turn off your iPhone and use the SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. Inspect the SIM card for any physical damage or dirt. If it looks dirty, clean it gently with a soft cloth or reinsert the SIM card. Turn on your iPhone again and if it picks up the network, then good. If not, you can simply contact to carrier about all the settings. Lastly, what we can do is simply update our iOS, as outdated iOS software can sometimes cause issues with network connectivity. Here's how to check for an update. Just go to settings and on general, simply tap on software update. If an update is available, just update it. After the update, check if the SIM card issue is resolved. Now, if you're still facing the issue, you can simply reset your network settings. This will not erase your personal data, but it will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN settings. Just go back to General and simply tap on Reset, Transfer, Reset iPhone. Simply tap on Reset and click Reset Network Settings. Enter your password, then confirm the reset. Once done, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check the network status. And that's it. Hopefully, by following these steps, you fix the SIM card no service issue on your iPhone.